1 minute bike check. Aluminium frame, aluminium fork, internal routing, BAS threaded bottom bracket, internal headset, aluminium stem, aluminium handlebar, aluminium seat post, comfortable saddle, Shimano Claris R2000 2x8 group set with a FSA Tempo crank 5034 and a sunrest cassette 1134. Paired to it are Promax R Render mechanical disc brakes for road bikes with 160 rotors front and back. Fender and pannier mounts, bolt-on seat post clamp, 735C tires from V Zealand, can fit up to 45C tires without fenders and 40C with fenders, flared bar for more control, nylon composite pedals with some kind of pins for retention system. So the entire package, gravel bike in India, Marin Gestalt based 23 model, cost